In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change parental control pin on Epic Games. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to epicgames.com. Now on the home page, just click on this login button and then log into your account using email ID and password. You can even log in using your Gmail account. Once you logged in, just click on your profile icon located at the top right side. Now from here, click Account. Now on the account setting page, in the left panel, just click on Parental Controls. Now here you need to enter your PIN in the box provided. In case if you have forgotten your PIN, then click on Forgot Your PIN link. Just click on Confirm and you will receive email with the link to reset your parental controls PIN. If you already know your parental control PIN, then just enter here. I will enter mine and then click Confirm. Now on the parental control screen, under General tab, you will find Change PIN button. Just click on it. Now here you can enter your new 6-digit PIN for parental controls. Just enter your new PIN here and then click Change PIN button. This will update your parental controls PIN and you will get a message saying you have successfully changed your parental controls PIN. So that is how you can change parental controls PIN on Epic Games. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.